Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cybersecurity with Duo Security, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the official Duo Security website. Register for an account if you do not have one already. Log into the Duo admin panel using your credentials. Navigate to the Applications section in the sidebar. Click on the Protect an Application button. Browse through the list of applications and select the one you wish to secure. Once selected, click the Protect button to add it to your Duo configuration. Review and configure the application settings as needed. Make sure to note the required integration key, secret key, and API hostname provided. Next, go to the Users section to add users who will require Duo Security. Click the Add User button and fill in the user details such as name and email. Assign users to the appropriate group based on their roles. Proceed to configure authentication methods in the Settings section. Select the authentication types you would like to enable, such as push notifications or phone callbacks. It's essential to educate users about how to use these authentication methods. Set up a test user to verify the configuration. Log in with the test user's credentials to ensure the Duo prompt appears. Once confirmed, educate all users on best practices for using Duo Security. Monitor your Duo dashboard for user activity and authentication logs regularly. Make necessary adjustments to settings based on user feedback and security needs. Consider enabling two-factor authentication for critical applications for added security. Regularly review your security policies and update them as necessary. For advanced features, explore options like integrations with firewalls or VPNs. Stay informed about any updates from Duo Security to utilize new features effectively. Encourage ongoing training and awareness sessions for all users. Establish a response plan in case of security incidents. By following these steps, you'll successfully manage cybersecurity with Duo Security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.